This is the complete guide to Notion AI, the intelligence layer built into one of the world's most popular productivity platforms. Whether you are a student, a professional, or managing a team, this guide covers every Notion AI feature and exactly how to use it. By the end, you will know how to set up your workspace for AI, how to use every core capability, the most practical workflows, and how the pricing works. Let's get into it. Notion is an all-in-one workspace combining notes, documents, databases, wikis, and project management in a single platform. Millions of individuals and teams use it to organize their work and knowledge. Before AI, Notion was a passive storage system. You put content in, you search to retrieve it. With Notion AI, the workspace becomes an active thinking partner. It reads your content, answers questions about it, writes new content, summarizes documents, and extracts structured information automatically. And critically, it works on everything already in your Notion workspace. No migration, no restructuring, no extra setup. It just starts working on what you already have. Let me walk through every core capability. Q&A lets you ask questions and get answers drawn from across everything in your workspace, with citations showing exactly which pages it found the answer in. Summarise condenses any document to its key points in seconds. Write generates full content from brief descriptions. Edit improves existing text, changes its tone, or translates it to any language. Autofill populates database properties using AI prompts you define once and that run automatically on every new item. Extract pulls structured information, action items, decisions, open questions from unstructured content like meeting notes and transcripts. Analyze gives insights from structured data in your databases. And search and recall finds anything using natural language queries. Notion AI Q&A is the feature that most changes how people interact with their workspace. Instead of searching through dozens of documents to find information, you ask a question in plain English. Notion AI searches across all your pages, notes, databases, and documents and provides a direct answer, with citations showing exactly where it found the information. It covers everything: meeting notes, research documents, personal notes, project documentation, and shared team pages. You no longer need to remember which page or database holds a specific piece of information. Just ask. For teams, this is transformative. For onboarding, new members can ask questions about company processes and get answers from the accumulated documentation immediately. Notion AI is only as useful as the content in your workspace. The more organized and comprehensive your setup, the better AI responses you get. Step 1. Use descriptive page titles. Q3 marketing strategy gives AI much more to work with than Q3 MKTG. Step 2. Add a short summary paragraph at the top of important documents. One sentence describing what the page covers helps AI retrieve it accurately. Step 3. Use consistent property names across all databases. If one database uses status and another uses state, AI treats them as different fields. Step 4. Tag pages with categories: meeting, research, decision, project. Step 5. Store meeting notes in a single database with a consistent template. AI extracts action items far more accurately from consistent structure. Step 6. Link related pages explicitly using @mentions. AI can traverse these connections to find deeper context when answering questions. The most immediately practical Notion AI use case is meeting notes, and it delivers a time saving you will notice from day one. Step 1. Paste your meeting transcript or notes into a Notion page. This works with Zoom transcripts, Otter AI exports, or manual notes. Step 2. Ask AI to extract all action items with assigned owners. It pulls every task and connects it to the person mentioned in the discussion. Step 3. Ask for a summary of key decisions made, a clean, scannable list of what was agreed. Step 4. Ask it to identify open questions and unresolved items. These are often the things that get missed in manual review. Step 5. Ask AI to draft a follow-up email based on the discussion. You review, edit, and send. This alone saves 20 minutes per meeting. Step 6. Store the process note in your meeting's database so future Q&A questions about this meeting are always answerable. Notion AI is a capable writing assistant when you are working within your existing workspace. Start a new page, type a brief description of what you want to write, and invoke AI to generate a draft. The AI has context about your workspace. If you have been researching a topic in Notion, it can draw on those notes. If you have brand guidelines or a style guide saved as a page, it can match your tone. The edit commands are particularly useful in practice. Make this more concise, change tone to formal, simplify this for a general audience. Translation works on any language in a single command, preserving the meaning. If you are stuck mid-paragraph, ask AI to continue writing from where you left off. And always review before publishing. Treat Notion AI as a first draft tool, not a final copy tool. Notion AI Database Autofill is one of the most underused features, but it is extremely powerful once you set it up. You create an AI property on any database and define a prompt for how to fill it. From that point on, every new item you add to the database gets that property filled automatically by AI. Practical examples: a summary property that auto-summarizes linked pages when added. A status property that extracts current project status from linked meeting notes. A category property that automatically classifies content type. A priority field that infers importance level from the description and context. And auto-generated tags that pull relevant keywords from page content. The setup takes 5 minutes. The time-saving compounds every single day. Who gets the most from Notion AI? Students and researchers using Q&A to recall research and AI to generate study materials from notes. Writers and creators drafting, editing, and translating content with workspace context. Project managers extracting action items from meeting notes and querying project status across all documentation. Team leads using Q&A to answer team questions without interrupting their work, and for onboarding new members. Consultants producing client research briefs in minutes. Solo founders maintaining a centralized knowledge base that answers questions instead of requiring manual digging. And honestly, anyone who has accumulated a lot of notes and documents and keeps losing the information they know they saved somewhere. Students find Notion AI transformative for research and study. Save your research papers and articles into your Notion workspace, paste full text or linked documents. Ask AI to summarize each one in the context of your specific topic area. Then ask it to compare arguments across multiple papers. This alone can save hours of manual synthesis work. Have it generate study questions from your lecture notes automatically. Create flashcard databases where AI autofills the answer field from your saved notes. Before writing an essay, ask your entire research base the essay question. AI surfaces the most relevant evidence and arguments from across everything you have saved. And when you need to cite a claim, AI can tell you exactly which page it found it in. For teams, Notion AI transforms the shared workspace into a collective intelligence system. New team members can ask questions about company processes and get answers from the accumulated documentation immediately without sending a single message to a colleague. Project managers can query across all project notes to get a status overview without holding a meeting. Leadership can ask for summaries of what different teams are working on without interrupting anyone's flow. Shared databases autofill consistently without relying on individuals to follow a taxonomy correctly. Meeting notes become queryable, not just archives that nobody reads. And company knowledge that currently lives in long-tenured employees' heads starts becoming accessible to everyone. How does Notion AI compare to everything else? Versus ChatGPT, Notion AI knows your specific workspace content. ChatGPT does not. For questions about your own notes and projects, Notion AI wins every time. ChatGPT is better for general writing and coding. Versus Obsidian with AI plugins, Notion AI has better database features and far better team collaboration. Obsidian gives more privacy control. Versus MEM.ai, Notion has more powerful databases and project management. NEM auto-organizes better. Versus Confluence AI, Notion is more flexible and better value for most teams. Confluence wins if you are deeply embedded in the Atlassian ecosystem. Versus Google Docs AI, Notion has richer workspace context across more content types. Google Docs is better for real-time collaboration with external parties. The honest summary: if you want AI that knows your work specifically, Notion AI. Pricing. The free Notion plan includes limited AI response trials, enough to get a feel for the feature without paying anything. The AI add-on alone is $10 per month and gives you unlimited AI on top of any existing Notion plan. If you are already paying for Notion Free or Plus, you just add $10 and get unlimited AI. Notion Plus with AI bundled is $18 per month, which includes unlimited pages, unlimited AI, and collaboration features. This is the best value plan for most individuals and small teams. Notion Business with AI is $20 per month, adding advanced permissions, SAML SSO, and all enterprise features. My recommendation: start on the free tier to trial AI. If you use it daily, the AI add-on at $10 pays for itself quickly. 7 Pro Tips to get the most from Notion AI every day. 1. Invoke AI anywhere with the /AI command. You do not need to navigate to a special interface. 2. Select text first before invoking AI. It will act on your selection specifically, not the whole page. 3. Ask follow-up questions in Q&A sessions. It holds context within a session so you can go deeper. 4. Build page templates with AI blocks pre-configured. Set up your meeting notes template with AI extraction blocks once and reuse it every time. 5. Set up autofill on every database you use. 5 minutes of setup saves hours over months. 6. Combine Q&A and Summarise. Use Q&A to find the right page, then use Summarise to digest it fast. 7. Always review AI output before using it. Treat it as a first draft, not final copy. Here is everything you need. Go to Notion.so and create a free workspace. AI trials are included on the free plan. See the full AI feature overview at Notion.so/products/AI. Browse the template gallery at Notion.so/templates. There are pre-built workspace setups already optimized for AI use. Detailed documentation on every AI feature is in the Help Center. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every AI tool that matters every week. Build your workspace. See you in the next one.